Hey guys, Josh Kelly here, and today we're going to give an overview of USGA Rule 22, which covers foursomes, or also known as alternate shot. Now, alternate shot is such a fun format to play, and it's one of the hardest formats as well. You have some teammates, there's a lot of strategy involved, so it's a great rule to know and a great format to play. So under 22.1, they just talk about an overview of foursomes. I think a lot of us are kind of familiar with the basics of alternate shot, so I won't go into too much detail there. 22.2 talks about either partner may act for each side. So either partner may mark the ball, lift it, take the drop. It also talks about how caddies may help the other partner as well. So 22.3 just talks about sides must alternate in making strokes. So after your one player tees off, the next player has to hit second, and then the other player third, so on and so forth until the ball is holed. 22.4 talks about starting the round. It's kind of basic stuff here, but it just mentions that the side may choose which partner starts first, so there's a lot of strategy involved there. Maybe if you're playing on the par 5, maybe you have the long hitter play first. It also talks about how the partner that's not playing must be present at starting time. 22.5 talks about partners may share clubs, so that's a pretty interesting one. Rule 4.1b is modified to allow partners to share clubs so long as the total number of clubs that they have together is no more than 14. So Rule 22, check it out, learn it. If you don't know about alternate shot, give it a look and give this format a try. It's a lot of fun. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next episode.